Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the raised hatch stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the front post single crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. That's 1 and 2. You're going to skip 3 chains. Into this next chain, make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then make 3 double crochet into the chain where you made your single crochet. So that's 1 double crochet, 2, and 3, all into that same chain. You're going to skip 3 chains. Into this next one, make a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then make 3 double crochet into that chain where you made that single crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. We're going to start repeating this sequence. Skip 3 chains. Into this next one, make a single crochet, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 chains. Into this next one, make a single crochet, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet into this chain with that single crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 4 chains left. You're going to skip 3 chains like we've been doing, and into this last chain, you're going to work 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, or this previous single crochet, you're going to make 2 double crochet. So that's 1 and 2. So now we have 3 double crochet from our last row and then some chains over here. You're going to skip these 2 double crochet of this previous 3, and you're going to work a front post single crochet over this 3rd double crochet. So it's going to look like that. Make that single crochet, but it's going to be a front post single crochet. So it's going to raise this double crochet a bit. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Work 3 double crochet into this previous chain 3 space. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Moving on to our next block of 3 double crochet and some chains. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to skip the first 2 double crochet. Into this next one, you're going to make that front post single crochet. Then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochet into this chain space. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So you can see how it's like our previous sequence of our last row. The only difference is instead of a regular single crochet, we're making that front post. We're still making those 3 chains and those 3 double crochet. Moving on to our next previous 3 double crochet and some chains. Skip 2 double crochet, work that front post single crochet into that 3rd double crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Then make 3 double crochet into this chain 3 space. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Moving on to our next previous 3 and some chains. Skip 2 double crochet into this 3rd one, make that front post single crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. make 3 double crochet into this previous chain 3 space. So that's 1, 2, and 3. When you get to your last block of the row, you're going to have 2 double crochet and then some chains that are acting like a double crochet. You're going to skip these 2 double crochet, and in between these double crochet and these end chains, you're going to make a single crochet by itself. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the raised hatch stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.